Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
So first of all, hi, welcome to IndianExpress.com. Just a few days away for the release of Pariksha. I mean, what is the kind of emotions that's running in your mind, in your heart?
My excitement and jitters are normally before I start a project. I feel very prepared, and then as soon as you come on set, then you realize that, oh, no. Then, that's my little ebb and flow with myself. I've always been like that. But once it's done, you literally, like, now I think I've come of experience where I can say that it's truly not on me anymore. It's really the audience now.
They would love it because I think the amount of engagement I've seen in the audience when they actually watched it physically in the cinema hall in Goa last November, it was overwhelming. Everybody had tears in their eyes, and also warm-hearted, and so I think it will be received by people very well.
Sana, it's a really warm film. It's a very simple film with like a really pure intention to just tell a true story, to be very honest.
And Shubham, going to you, I mean, what was your reaction when you came on board with such big stars and the film is basically on you? I mean,
when I was first called for audition and stuff, so I was like, they told me that, Prakash Jha sir from Gangajal. So at first I took it like, okay. And then I was like, you mean that, sir, that one? I was like that. And then when I came for the audition and I saw him in person, I was like starstruck, you can say.
and other than Priyanka, I mean, when you have these kind of characters, which is like rooted to ruler's space, I mean, how exciting does it get for you guys to play it than compared to a real life character, which is comparatively closer to your personal self?
No, I think this is for me. I mean, of course, it's very entitled of me to think that they are not real life, or they are not, these are people we interact with, all our lives.
And Adil, I was speaking to a casting director and he mentioned that you are one of the few actors who is not scared or who is ready to audition for roles. I mean, even after doing so many films, after doing so many projects, you don't say no to auditions if it's an international project, especially. I mean, what makes you do that, and how do you look at the characters that are offered to you? How do you go about that?
Well, I think auditioning for a character in India generally doesn't happen after you have done few films, and
Right.
you have done well, and that culture is very, very only meant for the newcomers, and some directors insist upon that, and I think which is a good thing. Also, you have to know whether you are ready to play that role or not. It's not only meant for the director, of course it's meant for them to figure out whether we have chosen the right actor, but also the fact that the directors and producers have to be worthy for audition to audition for. The way that things are in India, you don't need to audition, but in the West I have seen established actors need to audition, including
Right.
Penelope Cruz had to audition for four times to get the role, to bag the role in Pirates of the Caribbean,
And tell us something about working with Prakash Jha and how he brought alive this story, this inspiring story on screen.
He's a tough taskmaster. Obviously he has a lot riding on him, and also the kind of subject he tends to do. He definitely wants people who have empathy.
From my perspective, whenever I used to look at him, I used to be like, damn, he has so much experience, and like he's in front of me like a legend. So I was like, I have to learn something from him. And during the rehearsals, I actually got to learn a lot from him.
I was inspired by his daily schedule that he wakes up at 4:30 in the morning and he does his gym, his workout, and then he
Wow.
looks after himself and he does his breakfast by 6 and 6:30. We are out in the location to shoot the film. But the other qualities that I have learned from him or I have seen him practicing is that he has this wonderful sense of giving freedom to the actors.
When you play such characters, I mean, what do you take back from it? Is it that inspiration? Is it that emotion as an actor? What touches you the most about these kind of characters?
The kind of passion and sincerity and honesty that they have in spite of facing the struggle of the entire world. I mean, you know, the struggle that they go through. They don't have the money, they don't have this, they don't even know if they can eat tomorrow or day after tomorrow. In spite of that, the human spirit, the kind of hope that they live with, which is like this, they are the heroes of our country. You know, that is what gives me hope that in spite of all the things which are happening across the globe, including COVID-19 and degradation of moral compass of the entire political class and the humanity as a whole, I just hope that these people, those who have shown us such courage in spite of, in such constrained situation, that we would do better.
Right, since it's pariksha, I mean, one pariksha, one test that kind of changed your life.
I feel, just birthing my daughter really changed me, my relationship with my body. But I've come a long way, and to really understand the mechanisms of the entire universe that works right here.
Every moment is a pariksha for me, yeah, in so many ways, you know. Whether I'm getting irritated, okay, that's a pariksha. Am I indulging our son who is 10 years old, and what is happening around us when you see that, you know, lakhs and lakhs of people have walked on the street to leave their cities and go back to their villages, and all those things, you know, how do I respond and not react? It's like every moment a pariksha. Ability to respond is responsibility according to our understanding. So
Right.
am I responding or am I reacting? So that's a constant pariksha.
For me, according to me, this pandemic has been a pariksha because it just reminded all of us that how everyone needs a break from socializing and needs to re-energize themselves, that every soul needs re-energizing.